In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule group meetings in HubSpot. If you've ever found yourself tangled in the web of coordinating multiple schedules, then HubSpot's meeting scheduler is going to be your new best friend. So, let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. First things first, let's ensure you're all set up to get started. Please open HubSpot and make sure that you are logged into your account. If you haven't logged in yet, simply enter your credentials to access your personalized dashboard. Once you're logged in, you're ready to move forward. Now that you're in, you want to locate the trial guide. This is an incredibly handy resource that contains everything you need to kick off your form building process. The trial guide is your central hub for instructions, tips, and resources that will streamline your experience as you learn to navigate HubSpot's myriad features. Spend some time familiarizing yourself with it if you haven't already. It'll prove invaluable as you move ahead. Next, head to your homepage. Here, you'll see various options, but our focus today is on scheduling meetings. So, click on Sales in the main menu. This will take you to the section of HubSpot specifically tailored for managing sales processes, which includes a dedicated meeting scheduler, exactly what we need for scheduling group meetings. In the Sales section, look for Meeting Scheduler and give that a click. This feature is designed to help you easily coordinate meetings by ensuring that everyone's schedule aligns, saving you from dozens of emails back and forth. It simplifies the entire process significantly, and you'll see just how convenient it is soon. Once you're in the meeting scheduler, find and click the Create Scheduling Page option. This is where the magic happens. It allows you to set up a page where all invitees can book a meeting according to the slots you've made available. Here's where you have a choice. You can select Group or Robin depending on your specific needs. The Group setting is perfect for when you need to coordinate several people's availability for a single meeting. On the other hand, if your needs are different, the Robin setting may be more suitable. Take a moment to decide which option best fits your requirements. Once you've settled on your choice, it's time to get into customization. Here, you can personalize everything to meet your needs. You can set time zones, available meeting lengths, and even include specific details that attendees will receive. Make sure to customize every aspect to ensure that the meeting setup is as effective and seamless as possible for all participants involved. And there you have it. By following these steps, you are now equipped to schedule group meetings efficiently in HubSpot. Mastering this tool will undoubtedly make collaborative efforts a breeze. Thank you for joining me today, and happy scheduling.